Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view all the shared videos on Snapchat Chat. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to easily find and watch all the videos that have been shared with you on Snapchat. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your list of chat conversations. Step 3. Tap on a conversation to enter it. This will open up the chat window with that specific contact. Step 4. Next, tap on the contact's name or profile photo at the top of the screen. This will open up the contact's profile information. Step 5. Scroll down on the profile page until you reach the chat attachments section. Here, you will find all the videos, photos, and other media that have been shared with you in that conversation. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view all the shared videos on Snapchat Chat. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy snapping.